Hello, welcome to the best software development Java course. First of all, if you are new on my channel, must subscribe it and press the bell icon for further more exciting updates. In today's session, I am going to teach how you can download and install NetBeans IDE, on which you are going to create many mysterious software in future. Just watch the description. There is a Google Drive link. Just open that link and download a file in it. After downloading that file, just extract it using WinRAR or any software. After extracting it, you will get a file of NetBeans. Just double click it, open it and install it. For further, keep watching the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new on my channel, just subscribe it. And if you have subscribed it, do like and share.